Once there lived a hard-working farmer named Abdullah in a quiet village. He had two young sons who were strong and intelligent but very stubborn. Abdullah loved his sons deeply and always tried to guide them with wise advice, hoping they would grow into good men. My sons, strength is a gift, but wisdom is a shield. His sons confidently replied, Father, we can handle anything. One day, Abdullah noticed dark clouds in the sky. He warned his sons, Do not take the cattle across the river today. Heavy rain is coming. It is dangerous. But the sons laughed and said, Father, you are old and afraid. We are strong. Nothing will happen to us. Ignoring their father's words, the sons took the cattle toward the river. Abdullah stood at the farm gate, worried and helpless. He prayed silently that his sons would return safely. Oh God, protect my children, even if they do not listen. The sons shouted back, Don't worry, Father, we will be back soon. Soon heavy rain started pouring. The river water rose quickly and became wild. The sons struggled to control the cattle. Fear filled their hearts as the strong current pulled them toward the danger. They started calling out to each other, Brother, the river is too strong. Father was right. We should not have come. The cattle were swept away, and the sons barely escaped with their lives. Cold, injured, and frightened, they realized their mistake. What they thought was bravery had turned into foolishness. They cried and exclaimed with sorrow, We lost everything. Our pride has destroyed us. At night, the sons returned home empty-handed. Their heads were lowered with shame. Abdullah saw their pain and did not shout. Instead, he gave them water and helped them rest. The sons were ashamed and said, Father, forgive us. Abdullah replied gently, Rest now, my sons. Lessons are learned in silence. The very next morning, Abdullah gently said, Strength without wisdom brings loss. Advice is not given to control you, but to protect you. The sons listened silently, their hearts filled with regret and responded, We understand now, Father. From that day on, the sons never ignored their father's advice again. They learned that listening to elders can save us from great loss. So, the moral of the story is, those who do not listen to wise advice often face painful consequences.